So I am a YouTuber, so I am on my computer screen and my phone screen for hours upon hours a day. So LivHo sent me these blue light blocking glasses. They're supposed to help with eye strain. They block the harmful blue rays that come from your devices and computer screens, and so that your eyes don't get fatigued or blurry. So let's take a look. Okay, so they say that these are really lightweight, and indeed they are. They're very lightweight. Okay, and I'm going to just put them on right now as I do the rest of this. Okay, there we go. And they are very, very lightweight, and I don't think they look bad at all. Okay, so this is everything that you get with the glasses. You get a nice cleaning cloth to wipe the lenses. You get a handy dandy carrying bag. This is a throwaway bag, I think, just to protect the glasses in transit. And then for funsies, I thought this was just a little light we can play with, but it's actually a way that you can test the effectiveness of these glasses in blocking those harmful and eye-fatiguing blue lights. So we're first going to do a test, and we're going to do that little blue light on that surface. And you can see the blue light just gets right through. That lights up that area. Look at all that blue light. Next, we're going to take just some regular glasses, and we're going to set it on there. And we're going to do the same thing, and you can see that blue gets through there significantly. So this blue light is getting right through. So here is the blocking glasses. Anti-blue, and let's take a look. Okay, that's a significant difference. That's a big, I mean, you can see it's not perfect. You still get a little bit of blue ray through, but it's nothing like what your eyes are getting without it. I mean, the difference is significant. So me being a YouTuber, constantly editing videos, constantly on either my phone or my desktop or my laptop, this is going to hopefully make my eyes feel so much better because they are definitely chronically fatigued. So I would say that this is a pretty cool product, and it does appear to do what it's supposed to be doing. So here I am at my computer, and I know it's really weird, but these are not prescription glasses, and I need prescription glasses. So I am putting my little glasses, the Blu-ray blocking glasses, on top. And because they're so lightweight, I can hardly feel the difference. So I know it's weird, but it seems to be working really, really well. So it's hard to tell now because I've only been working on my computer for a little bit. But with that test that I did earlier and with the blue blocking, I'm convinced that this is really going to help me with the fatigue that I feel after working so long on my computer. So I'm giving these glasses a thumbs up because they are doing what they promised to do.